Okay, welcome to this episode. So today I'm going to try and fix this Sony Walkman. It's an 83 WM-4. I was feeling nostalgic and figured I'd buy one. They're fairly expensive today to buy. I guess all retro stuff is. But no, I thought I'd get this one, 83. Me and my brother had Sony Walkmans, but they were just a radio version. Some people don't realise that you could only just get the radio version, but that's what we had. We never had the cassette version. So I decided to get an 83 because I would have been 10 years old back then with the dinosaurs. Yeah, so this one, the door is loose. I was set the spring with it. Apparently they pop off a lot. I'm unsure where that goes. I believe it goes to this side, close to the battery side. I will just put that to the side for now. I do have some more belts I got off eBay for a WM-4. Yeah, see. So never worked on one of these before, so it'll be interesting. I know I have to take the two screws off the back here, and then there's two just on either side here at the top that is supposed to come off, and that splits it. Yeah, I've already had a friend, so these tend to break a lot, I'm told. So the tabs on this one are broken off on the inside, so it just flops open at the back to the outside. So I had a friend 3D print me another one. I did break the tab off here already, but I might get another one. This was just a trial one, but it did a pretty good job. And that, I mean, for practicality, it works really well. For the most part, it actually suits. Actually comes in and off and on a lot better. So I've already done that. But yeah, we'll see if we can replace these belts, see if we can get this fixed, see if we can get some sound out of it. There. This one, yeah, this one is just the cassette player. So let's rip her open and see what a mess we can make. Okay, so I managed to get the little spring back in. I don't know if you can see, it's just tucked in. I'll see, hang on, let's see if I can point to this better. There. Stay still. So it sits. This is a little metal tab right here, and then the hole in the actual cassette door here, and the spring just sits in between the two. You think that the round part of the spring is supposed to sit maybe on the outside here, but it doesn't. It seems to sit just in the little metal tab here with a little hole. One side goes to there, and then you just poke the other prong into the other side of this guy, so it just sits in between the cassette door plastic piece and this piece, and then it actually will function like it should again. At least that was an easy fix. So now we'll shove it back on there. And these do feel fairly loose, so I'm just gonna have a quick read up on how to change those out and see if we can get those. There's supposed to be 2 belts here, so I've just got to check where the other one is. This one, there might be the bigger guy there. And yeah, we just got to get the other one done. Just got to find. But yeah, I'll have a quick read up on that and see where they both go and carry on. Okay, so yeah, we have that belt. We just take off the screw to get to the main drive belt here, so that's pretty easy. I used a flathead because it does have a flathead groove in there, and the Phillips wasn't working too well. And to get to the other belt under here, there's just the one screw here, and you just release the bit of tape that's over this one, and you can kind of get under there. But I'll do that one last. Right now we'll do this guy. Definitely loose. I played it and it's just like slipping. You have to spec that for the age. I think it's the bigger one of the two. It goes around the outside of that guy. It looks like it goes in the inside of that one. Yeah, it's definitely a lot bigger if you look at that. You can see them. It's definitely well stretched. So wow, that's going to make a huge difference. Okay, let's see if I can get under there. Let's put that screw back in. Okay, let's see if we can get this other one in. does have this little metal tab on top. Just going to make sure it stays facing out. Looks like it's got to sit on top of that little bit of tape. Next thing is see if I can get that off. Again, you can. There's definitely a big difference in the. See, the bottom one is the older one. It's a lot more stretched. Kind of awkward. I don't want to take off all the tape. I just have to get it around the outside of that one. Okay, I think we have it. See if we can get that sitting down again, right? Make sure everything sits. I think it's actually sitting right. I did keep a little bit of tape. Work. Kind of holds it. Yep, that holds it down again. Then this little guy. You could use a little pair of tweezers and more needle nose pliers. All these small screws. Trying to use like sausage fingers to do this. Okay. I can actually put the batteries in and have a little listen. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah, that cool, that works, yeah. That is awesome. That was actually a really easy fix. No, that went really well. I was thinking it was going to be a little harder than that, but no, I think anyone, just about anyone could do this. So you just take your time and do a little research, and there you go. But that was a lot easier than I thought. So yeah, we'll put it back together. She's good to go. Back to 1983. Good year. Okay, let's yeah, I'll screw it all back together and see how she looks, see if I can get it back together. Done. So the only thing I think would be extra to do is maybe just clean the head there. The Q-tip and a little bit of methylated spirits I think you could do it with. You could research that one. But as for now, it's working pretty good. I'm pretty happy how it is. Yeah. Hope that helps someone. Don't be scared to do one yourself. They're not super hard. Just take your time, work your way through it, and you'll get there. Oh, that's it for this one. I'm gonna go and listen to some cassette tapes, I think, this afternoon. I'll do some other stuff. But remember to subscribe if you want to see more. Thumbs up if you like this video, definitely helps the algorithms and all that good stuff. But till next time, catch you later.